gonna tell you that just with an HCPC license, you can work in Gulf countries without taking any exam. Yes, no THA, no MOH, and no prometric needed. UAE, Bahrain, Oman, Qatar, Saudi. Which of these Gulf countries will let you work as a physiotherapist without taking any exam if you have HCPC UK registration? Watch this video till then to find out exactly which countries offer exam exemption and how you can use your HCPC license to fast track your physiotherapy career in the Gulf. Trust me, this could be a game changer for your future. If you are a physiotherapist and you are HCPC UK registered, today's video could literally change your life. I'm Dr. Huma Ibrar and I'm here to guide you through the shortcut to working as a physiotherapist in Gulf countries without exam, just through your HCPC license. Now, what is HCPC and why it's powerful? HCPC stands for Healthcare Professional Registration Council, the UK's regulatory body for health professionals. If you are registered with HCPC, your documents are considered of international standard in many Gulf countries. But the big question is, do you still need to take an exam like prometric, or can you get licensed directly? Let's break down. Here's the biggest news. In the UAE, both THA and MOH allow HCPC registered physiotherapists to apply for a license without taking any exam. THA for Dubai and MOH is for other states except Dubai and Abu Dhabi. And the best part, you don't need any UK work experience either. All you need is your data flow verification, then you can apply directly for licensing. Now, talking about Oman currently doesn't have a clearly defined exam exemption policy, but having HCPC registration can give you a priority, especially if you already have a job offer. Now, talking about Bahrain, an HRA in Bahrain highly recognizes HCPC, and if you have employer support, you may even get exempted from the prometric exam. Talking about the Qatar, in Qatar, the prometric exam is still mandatory, but with HCPC, your application can be a fast track and your chances of licensing approval are higher. Now we'll talk about the Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia doesn't currently offer exam exemptions. However, with HCPC, your classification can be upgraded. For example, you might be classified as a senior or specialist physiotherapist. Similar is with Kuwait. In Kuwait, the prometric exam is still mandatory. But with HCPC, your application can be fast-tracked and chances of licensing approvals and getting a job will be higher. In summary, if you have HCPC registration and you are planning to move to the Gulf, the best options are UAE and Bahrain. These countries offer direct licensing without exams, giving you a stress-free path to start working abroad. If you want more real and authentic content like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon.